What we have here today is the Spongebob square wave oscillator noise box. It has two low frequency oscillators that control Spongebob's eyes, the left and right potentiometers up here, and four push buttons that control four other oscillators for the photocells beneath the eyes. Now these are going to act as a phototherapy effect. You also have a potentiometer for voltage. When voltage starve is applied, the oscillators fight each other for current. More wacky stuff happens. Have an on-off toggle, and then three outputs. The main is a stereo output, then two mono outputs for the left and right channels. Here we go, let's test this thing out. There you have it. Check it out on eBay.